Wow, that's what I'm talking about. This is the shrimp, this is the sauce. That's the perfect shrimp in the world. It's even best than any restaurant. Look, it's really crunchy. That's what I'm talking about. Hello everyone, this is ChefX. Today I was thinking to go to the restaurant to eat a fried shrimp, but I make it better than any restaurant. Today we will make the best ever fried shrimp in this world. Let's start doing it. First we have to get the shrimp and open it in the sink. Bring anything to put the shrimp on it and put the water above the shrimp because it's a frozen shrimp. Now we start clean it. Remove the shrimp cover. Now it's clean. Repeat the same thing. Now all the shrimps clean. But you know what? Usually I bring some flour and put it on the shrimp. Just if there is anything stuck in the shrimp, it's make it more cleaner. Mix the shrimp with the water and the flour. You will see how is it clean. Now it's a crystal clean. The second thing we bring big plate. Put the yogurt in the plate. After the yogurt, put the eggs on the plate. The first one and the second one. Now bring black pepper, paprika, onion powder and garlic powder and salt. Mix it together and put it on the plate. Now bring some flour. We need just 2 spoons. Mix all together. Now bring the shrimp. You see it's very clean. Put all the mixes above the shrimp and mix it with the shrimp. This is a perfect recipe for the shrimp. Bring another 2 spoons of flour and mix it together and make sure every inch in the shrimp have the sauce on it. Now bring some cornflakes and smash it. Now after we smash it, now put the shrimp on the cornflakes and make sure it's covered. I want like that. Now bring the potato. For me, I like to make it fingers. I will slide it. First we cut the potato, slides. You can cut the potato as you like. Now we put some oil on the fire and leave the oil until it's hot. Now put the fries. That's how we want the fries. Now put the shrimp in the oil. Make sure it's a hot oil. Don't be hard on the shrimp because we need the cornflakes on the shrimp. When you flip it slowly. The shrimp take 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, it's turned to browny golden shrimp. That's what we want. Now to make a dynamite seafood sauce. First we need the ketchup. Now barbecue sauce. Third hot sauce. We mix it all together. The best sauce for the seafood. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. This is the shrimp. This is the sauce. That's the perfect shrimp in the world. It's even best than any restaurant. Look, it's really crunchy. That's what I'm talking about. I hope you like shrimp today. It was better than any restaurant in this world. If you like it, please leave a comment for next video and subscribe to my channel to make it bigger and to make more cooking videos. Bye!